Today is the 101st rock ceremony. Over 100 years ago, a group of dedicated students decided that the legacy of those that have gone before us would not be forgotten. By establishing a very simple memorial, which has endured for over a century, our Ohio State alumni who unselfishly gave their lives for our freedom continue to be honored.
This memorial was originally dedicated to the First World War. It's since become an inclusive representation of all of our alumni who have given the ultimate sacrifice and service to our country. Their courageous spirit reflects the nobility we seek to instill in all of our students and the potential that we hope to fulfill in everything that we do.
Over 1,000 of these alumni have given up their lives so that we can enjoy the freedoms and liberties we have today.
So we celebrate Veterans Day on November 11th in memory of the Armistice Day of World War I, as we just heard described, which is celebrated on the 11th hour of the 11th day, 11th month. In 1954, President Eisenhower made it official as a national holiday called Veterans Day rather than Armistice Day. Unlike Memorial Day, which very specifically is dedicated to those who have died in service, Veterans Day honors all veterans who have honorably served.
Thank you again for all that you have done and continue to do on behalf of this great nation. Thank you.
Order! Pause!
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's ceremony.